Hey, good people. I hope you're well and you are taking care of yourself. You are fighting to get to that life beyond whatever, issues that you're dealing with, health issues that you're dealing with. So today I am traveling, and for I think for about 7 days or so. So I thought let me share with you some of the medication that I carry with me when I travel somewhere, a place where I'm not familiar with the environment, just to be safe. But some of them I do need them. So this is what my medication travel bag looks like. Yeah, as you can see, it's messy, né? It's a lot. Oh, I found this book where I'm staying. It looks quite interesting. I'll check it out later. Maybe I'll share. So my medication pack looks like this. I travel with Allergex in case I have allergies. I travel with Corenza C. It becomes useful, especially if I'm sitting under air conditioning for a while, so I get blocked. So this helps. I have Gaviscon just in case I have acid issues. So this comes handy. Then I have my regular medication. This is it's called metformin, this one. Metformin, not metformin, whatever. So this is for diabetes. I take 2 per day, one in the morning, one in the evening. It goes with this one. It's called Jara. So Jara I also take one in the morning, one in the evening. So normally I'll put this in a pill box, but because I'm traveling for a longer period, I don't have a pill box that's big enough. Then I have this one. I think this one is called Amlock. This is for hypertension. Hey, last week hypertension showed me flames, né? When you start feeling dizzy and your vision becomes blurry and all those sorts of things. So that's what happened to me because I stopped taking this. I got tired of my meds. Then you've got the antiretrovirals. I know you are thinking, what is Radin now? Ignore the name. This Radin, it's just a brand name. There are other ones. What you should be looking at is that one that says dolutegravir, the 50 milligrams, the tenofovir, and then also lamivudine. If you look at your meds and then they've got those 3 medications, it doesn't matter what the name is. It's just a generic. Okay, then quickly another one that I travel with my AkiCheck to check my sugar level. It comes with this is what I prick myself with, and then actually I don't think I know what they call these things. Instant glucose control, AkiCheck. So you put a drop of blood on that thing, and then it tells you your blood sugar. And finally, this is my blood pressure monitor that I bought at the pharmacy. So I also travel with it.